Turing Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, I'll review the Turing Platform, an innovative freelancer marketplace for developers and companies seeking top-tier talent. Links to the platform and more details can be found in the description below. Turing is designed for highly skilled software developers and tech companies looking to build remote teams. It leverages AI to match developers with companies based on their skills, experience, and project requirements. The platform is known for its rigorous vetting process, ensuring that only the top 1% of global talent is available for hire. This focus on quality makes Turing an excellent option for businesses with critical technical needs and developers aiming for premium, long-term opportunities. One of Turing's standout features is its extensive screening process. Developers are evaluated through technical assessments, coding challenges, and real-world problem-solving tasks. This ensures that companies get access to highly capable professionals. Once onboarded, developers benefit from competitive pay rates and opportunities to work with leading companies worldwide, including startups and Fortune 500 firms. For companies, Turing's platform simplifies the hiring process significantly. Its AI matching system considers project needs, required skills, and team compatibility, reducing the time and effort spent on sourcing talent. The platform also provides tools for managing remote teams, including time tracking, performance analytics, and streamlined communication channels. Another strong point is Turing's commitment to flexibility. Developers can work from anywhere while maintaining a steady flow of projects. Companies, on the other hand, can scale their teams up or down depending on project demands, ensuring cost efficiency without compromising quality. Overall, Turing is an ideal solution for businesses looking to quickly onboard world-class developers and for freelancers specializing in software development who want consistent access to high-quality opportunities. With its focus on matching talent with the right roles and its support for remote work, Turing is a game changer in the tech hiring space. Explore the links in the description to learn more and see if Turing is the right fit for your needs.